Toyota today announces a series of improvements and enhancements that will further strengthen its Yaris Hybrid hatchback range. The 1.5-liter gets a new transaxle with a larger and more powerful electric motor generator that raised total system output by 12% from 116 to 130 horsepower. There's a significant hike in torque too, with the maximum torque of the electrical motor increased by 30% across the total rev band, from 141 to 185 Newton meters. Half a second has been taken off the 0 to 100 km per hour time in 9.2 seconds. The new Yaris gets the Toyota teammate with advanced features, including the latest Toyota Safety Sense systems and seamlessly updatable via over-the-air software updates. Toyota has also targeted a best-in-class proposition with completely new digital user experience for the new Yaris. This takes in both a customizable driver's instrument display and a faster and more powerful multimedia system with added functionality. The display's 7 or 12.3 inch for the combimeter, 9 or 10.5 inch for the multimedia screen, according to model grade.
Hey Toyota, j'ai chaud.
Réglage de la température du conducteur sur 20.0.
Hey Toyota, j'ai froid.
Réglage de la température du conducteur sur 20.0.
Hey Toyota, ouvrez la fenêtre.
Ouverture de la vitre latérale du conducteur.